Wait! Eyes up here, bro. Ha ha ha. I bet you thought she was real, didn't you? Nope, she's fake. And so is this girl, and this girl too.
Damn!
In case you are new here, or for anyone that doesn't know yet,
Hello? Anybody home?
2024 is already being dubbed the beginning of the AI era.
I'll be back.
No, not that AI, sorry Arnie. I'm talking about AI model hotties and AI influencers that you can use to pull in some serious bank. And it's a lot easier than you might think. In fact, it's so easy that you can now create a 3D realistic model for anything you want with just a few clicks of your mouse and in only a couple minutes of your time. And in this video, I'll give you my exact formula to do it if you watch until the end. Oh, and I got proof for you too. Just look at these Instagram profiles right here. They are getting a crap ton of views, right? And the pictures used in these profiles are not even real people. And the good news is that you can have your very own AI influencer or model in just a couple of minutes from now. As a bonus, I'll drop any scripts I used and the exact AI softwares in the description below so that you can grab them and create a hyper-realistic model just like these all by yourself. Plus, if you play your cards right, I'll even throw in a few tips for insane character consistency and impressive realistic expressions along the way. So, with that said, let's get it. Now you're probably wondering, what do you need to get started? I could tell you were a smart cookie from the start. And since you asked, I put together a few easy steps for you too. Step 1. Collect your source images, or stock images. You can pick any browser you like, and using your preferred browser can easily do a quick search to find a few high-quality images to kick things off. I lean towards using Chrome. The secret here is to make sure to choose a picture where the model is facing the camera with proper lighting. And we also have to make sure that the person doesn't exist in order to avoid any copyright claims too. Not a problem though, because we're going to use AI to generate it. Once you find one you like, save it to your files on your computer, and just like that, you're already done with the first part. Mic drop. Step 2. We have to make use of our AI tool. In this video, we are going to use Midjourney. If you don't have Midjourney, there's nothing to freak out about. Comment down below, AI help, and I'll make a separate video listing all the AI tools for you. Okay, let's continue. Open up your Midjourney server and type describe. Now choose one of the images that you had saved in your files. And from here, Midjourney will provide you with 4 prompts. Let's go ahead and generate the prompts, and we'll get a few different options to choose from. Next, we're going to choose the pictures that have the best lighting and most realistic expressions that we created earlier. Once you have those, then we'll save that to our file and we're good to go. Step 3. We now need a target image to use. This will be the image that we are going to use as the base body for our AI-generated model. To do this, we are simply going to use a free AI generator, cart.ai. Now listen up, because this part is super important. Here you have to make a little use of your brain and have to command a simple description that's fitting for our character. So as you can see here, we have a description of the image, blonde, brunette, chubby, skinny model. So we are just going to type description, and the AI gives us lots of options to choose from. I'll suggest taking your sweet time picking out the best options from these, or just go with the hottest pick. Once you have chosen the perfect image, you have another option, and this is one of my favorites. You can click the try, and the AI will generate similar images for you to explore. But more importantly, you can make small tweaks to the prompt, such as accessories and clothings, and it'll generate a different base image for the same model. Okay, down boy. But that's exactly what we're looking for. Now be careful, Alice, because you can definitely get lost down this rabbit hole here. Go ahead and play around as much as you like, then choose the best options for yourself. For me, these are the options I chose. Now for my favorite part. Step 4. Face swapping. This isn't as complicated as it sounds. We're not talking Nicolas Cage and John Travolta in Face Off here. Basically, we're just pasting your source image onto your target image. To me, it's the most fun step of all because once you have learned to do this once, you have a goldmine to get unlimited pictures from. Don't believe me? Let's see. First, we'll create a new Discord server. If you don't know how to do that, I'm not sure if we can be friends here. Okay, all jokes aside, if you seriously need help here, drop a comment below and I'll make a video on that. For everyone else, just press the plus icon on your Discord application here. Once inside, set up the server however you like. From here, we'll now go the Midjourney server and click on the member list and add the Midjourney bot to our server. Now, just choose the server and continue as shown. From here, you should be ready to go for the next step. Now, click the GitHub link given in the description and scroll down until you find this. Once here, click, and you'll be able to add a new bot. Add this to the server that you created just now. And just like that, you're cooking with fire and you're almost there. As a bonus tip, the amount of pictures you can generate with the combination of these two bots are just mind-blowing. You can keep playing around if you want, but let's take a quick peek and see how it works. To do this, first you'll have to type "saved" and create a new ID such as InstaAI. Then we're gonna select our source image from step 1. Just like that, we've got an ID. You might have to wait a few seconds to create the ID though, so don't freak out or get scared. Just chill for a minute. And once it's done, here comes the best interesting part. Type "swapid," enter the ID you saved previously, in our case, InstaAI. And now you're gonna drag and drop one of the target images we created in step 2. Once you hit enter, you'll be amazed to see how ridiculously good the face swapping can be. Here are the before and after results for you to compare, and your model is ready to be posted on any social channel of your choice. Also, don't forget to right-click on the result images to save them too. So honestly, there might be some small wrinkles or issues here and there after face swapping. But I got you covered, bro. To fix this, you can either go to Photoshop or any free design tool that's out there. Personally, I like to do it the lazy way and just ignore it, haha. For step 5. In my opinion, step 5 is one of the most fun steps. And, for real, it's the step that is gonna make you the most profit. Here we are gonna make some videos with our newly created AI model. Now again, this can be a lot of information to swallow at once. It's a video and you can rewind or go back if you have to. But don't skip anything and please watch until the end. You got this, dude. For this part, you could definitely use Runway's image to video generator or some other AI tool if you have one in mind. But in my opinion, it doesn't really come out that natural. Therefore, if you want to do it right, I recommend you follow the method that I am going to show you right now. First for this, we will need a target video to get started. In other words, you can go create a quick video of yourself dancing, or you can just ask a hot friend of yours too. But the easiest way is to just take a video from TikTok or any other social platform because we are going to change it up. But remember, copyright issues could still occur with a borrowed video, so don't grab The Rock or one of the Kardashians here. Reminder, copyright issues might occur. Next, we are going to move the target videos to a separate file for better management. Also, make sure to rename your target video so that it doesn't contain any spaces. You'll understand this later when we get to it. Now, click the link in the description to open a Google Lab, run the first command, and then upload the target video and source image to files like I do. We are basically going to create a deep fake video. For the next step, we are going to run the second cell first, and then, just to avoid any difficulties or errors, what we are going to do is delete the part called Video Quality 80. Now we are going to copy the paths of our target video. Just click on the 3 dots beside the file and click Copy. Now we are going to select this content video.mp4 and paste our copied path. We are going to do the same for our source image and paste it to content image.jpg. And we are good to go to run this cell too. It should take at max 10 minutes. And after a few minutes, a new file named swapped.mp4 should appear on the bottom of the files. If it doesn't appear, just click the refresh button and wait for a few minutes. When it's done, just download it and voila. Check out those changes. Now you've got yourself your own girlfriend, 3D Instagram or TikTok model. Also, just an FYI, in order to make more videos, you must delete the previous swap.mp4 and repeat the process. So make sure you save any video that you want to keep first. Now you're ready to go to war? Just pop over to Instagram or TikTok and make yourself a new account. Then add a bio using ChatGPT or a similar AI writer. That's it for today, peeps. This is a really easy method to earn money as a side hustle. For more topics like this, subscribe to me and don't forget to press that bell icon. Comment on what we should be making next. And see ya!